Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2010 government pass question. Question number 30 says the first law making body in Nigeria after amalgamation was dash. The first law making body in Nigeria after amalgamation was dash. Now, amalgamation simply means the coming together of the southern and northern province 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 and this happened in 1914. That was a drama that took place in 1914. So, and at this time, the name Nigeria has not come into being or into existence at that time. So, each region or province administered their own people in line with their customs or tradition and so on and so forth. But at this time, also, police already taking ground in each of these provinces or regions. Now, there was at that time there was what we call regional assembly. That was not like national assembly at that time. Take note. The executive legislative council later came in. Then the Nigerian executive council came in too. But immediately after the amalgamation, the regional house makes law. The regional assembly makes law for the people. So, but later on in the day, Nigerian council takes over. But the question said the first law making body. So, and that first law making body is the regional assembly. So, option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.